Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer on a totally catastrophic evolutionary phenomenon, the genetic bottleneck.
So, what actually happens when an apocalypse hits and abruptly rewrites a species' DNA? Let's dive in.
The mechanics of these bottlenecks basically play out across 4 distinct chronological stages.
Stage 1, just picture a huge, thriving population. You've got robust genetic diversity and perfectly balanced alleles.
Then, stage 2 hits, total catastrophe. A healthy population of 1,000 suddenly plummets to just 20.
Stage 3 is random sampling. Surviving genetics shift drastically based on pure blind luck, not natural selection.
Finally, stage 4. Population numbers eventually recover, but that crucial genetic diversity, it's permanently lost.
Let's look at the math. For allele frequency, dominant and recessive traits basically must equal 100%.
That's Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. It predicts genetic harmony, right? Well, a sudden bottleneck absolutely shatters this delicate balance.
Check out this formula for heterozygosity loss. It mathematically proves tiny populations hemorrhage their genetic mixing incredibly fast. Disasters instantly slash your effective population size, meaning the actual number of adults left who can successfully breed.
The math here is wild. An allele surviving at 80% frequency has an 80% chance of total fixation.
And as that population shrinks, genetic drift variance surges upward. This drives some seriously chaotic genetic shifts.
So what's the biological fallout? Irreplaceable traits permanently vanish, and survivors are forced into highly destructive inbreeding. Long-term, this lack of variation literally stifles adaptation, dangerously increasing vulnerability to fatal diseases and stressors.
Real-world history proves this. Aggressive hunting once pushed northern elephant seals to the brink, leaving under 30 alive. Today, cheetahs are another living example of this devastating drift, suffering from shockingly low genetic variation globally.
Just remember, bottlenecks rely on surviving a deadly disaster, totally unlike the founder effect, which is just migration-driven.
I'll leave you with this. When environments inevitably shift, does a genetic bottleneck make ultimate extinction totally unavoidable?